Hey, welcome to Guns and Stuff. My name's Steve. How can I help you? So I seen this Staccato P online. That's what I want. You law enforcement? Why'd your sideburns look like that? What'd you say? No. Yeah, no, you can't have that. Why not? Well, California has a safe handgun roster. They ain't safe for you. How about a Shadow Systems, the MR920? Nah, can't have that neither. Huh. Okay, well, how about a SIG P365? No, you can have this. That right there is a Glock 19 Generation 3. Where's the safety on it? I ain't got one. Makes sense, I guess. Guess I'll just buy the safer one.